everyone, welcome to Word Guide. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create and format tables in Microsoft Word. Tables are a great way to organize and present data clearly and effectively. Let's get started. First, let's open a blank document and dive in. Locate the Insert tab on the ribbon. Next, click on the Table button. You'll see a grid where you can drag to select the number of rows and columns you want. For this example, let's create a 3x3 table. As you can see, our table has been inserted into the document. Now let's start entering some data. Click on the cell to start typing. You can navigate between cells using the Tab key. Press Tab to move to the next cell, and Shift plus Tab to move to the previous cell. To add more rows or columns, right-click on the table. Then click on Insert. There are 4 options you can choose: Insert above, Insert below, Insert left, Insert right. In this example, let's click Insert below. Now that we have our table, let's format it to make it more visually appealing. Highlight the entire table by clicking and dragging across it. Then, go to the Table Design tab on the ribbon. Here, you can choose a style from the Table Styles gallery. Let's select a style that fits our document themes. You can also customize individual elements of your table. Use the options of the Table Design tab to change the shading, borders, and effects. Let's add a different shading to the header row. To adjust the column width or row height, hover over the border until you see a double-headed arrow, then click and drag to resize. Another useful feature is merging cells. Select the cell you want to merge, right-click and select Merge Cell. This is great for creating headings that span multiple columns. Finally, if you need to delete any row or columns, right-click on the row or column. Then select Delete and choose the appropriate options. And there you have it, a quick guide to creating and formatting tables in Microsoft Word. By mastering these tools, you can organize your data more effectively and make your documents look more professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Word Guide for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching and happy typing.